Hey there, awesome souls! Welcome to a journey that could change your life forever. Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss? Setting your own hours? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Working from anywhere in the world? Picture yourself sipping coffee in a quaint cafe in Paris, or lounging on a sunny beach in Bali, all while getting your work done. That's the beauty of freelancing. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle that offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. It's like taking control of your career and saying, "I'm the captain now." You steer your own ship, navigating through the vast ocean of opportunities. Freelancing simply means offering your skills as services to clients, but on your own terms. You decide what projects to take on, how much to charge, and when to work. No more stuffy offices or rigid schedules. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a more relaxed, fulfilling work environment. You become an independent rock star, choosing projects you love and setting your own rates. Imagine the satisfaction of working on something you're passionate about and getting paid what you're worth. Whether you're a whiz with words, a coding genius, a design maestro, or a marketing guru, there's a place for you in the freelancing world. There's a freelance path waiting just for you. The market is vast and diverse, offering endless opportunities for every skill set. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, you get to call the shots. You are in control of your destiny, making decisions that align with your personal and professional goals. You get to call the shots, set your own goals, create your own roadmap, and watch your dreams unfold. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of freelancing. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and endless possibilities. Trust me, this could be the start of something amazing. Embrace the freedom, the flexibility, and the adventure that comes with freelancing. Your ticket to freedom is just a decision away. Are you ready to take the leap? Okay, let's talk about why freelancing is so freaking awesome. There are so many reasons why people are ditching the traditional office job and embracing the freelance lifestyle. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution in the way we work. First off, flexibility. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to setting your own hours. Imagine waking up without the blaring sound of an alarm clock, sipping your morning coffee at your own pace, and starting your workday whenever you feel most productive. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, freelancing lets you tailor your schedule to fit your natural rhythm. Want to sleep in and work late? No problem. You have the freedom to design your day around your personal life, not the other way around. This means more time for family, hobbies, and self-care. You can take breaks whenever you need them, go for a walk, or even take a nap. It's all about creating a work-life balance that suits you. Prefer to work from a beach in Bali? Go for it. The world is your office. As long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can work from anywhere. This opens up a world of possibilities for travel and adventure. Imagine working from a cozy cafe in Paris, a serene beach in Thailand, or a bustling city in Japan. The choice is yours. Second, you're the boss. You choose the projects you want to work on and the clients you want to work with. This means you can focus on work that truly excites you and aligns with your skills and interests. No more being stuck on projects that drain your energy or working with clients who don't appreciate your value. No more soul-crushing assignments or demanding bosses. You have the power to say no to work that doesn't serve you and yes to opportunities that inspire you. This autonomy can lead to greater job satisfaction and a sense of fulfillment that is hard to find in a traditional job. You're in the driver's seat, baby. You control your career path and have the freedom to pivot and explore new directions whenever you want. This sense of empowerment can boost your confidence and help you grow both personally and professionally. Third, freelancing often means more money in your pocket. Since you're setting your own rates, you have the potential to earn way more than you would in a traditional job. Cha-ching! You can charge what you're worth and take on as many or as few projects as you like. This financial freedom allows you to build a lifestyle that suits your needs and goals. And lastly, freelancing allows you to follow your passion. You get to do what you love every single day. How amazing is that? When you're passionate about your work, it doesn't feel like work at all. You can dive deep into projects that excite you, learn new skills, and continuously grow in your field. This passion-driven approach can lead to higher quality work and a more fulfilling career. Plus, freelancing opens up opportunities for networking and collaboration. You can connect with other like-minded professionals, attend workshops and conferences, and even collaborate on exciting projects. This sense of community can provide support, inspiration, and new opportunities for growth. In conclusion, freelancing rocks because it offers flexibility, autonomy, financial potential, and the chance to follow your passion. It allows you to create a work-life balance that works for you, connect with a vibrant community, and continuously grow and evolve in your career. So, if you're considering making the leap into freelancing, go for it. The possibilities are endless and the rewards are truly worth it. Now let's figure out what kind of freelance rockstar you're meant to be. Freelancing is an exciting journey, but it starts with understanding your unique strengths and passions. What are you naturally good at? Think about the tasks that come effortlessly to you, the ones that make you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in them. What do people always ask for your help with? This can be a great indicator of your hidden talents. Maybe you're the go-to person for tech support, or perhaps your friends rely on you for creative ideas. What skills light you up inside? These are the activities that not only come naturally to you but also bring you immense joy and satisfaction. Maybe you're a wordsmith extraordinaire, crafting captivating content that makes brands sing. Your words have the power to engage, inform, and inspire audiences. Or perhaps you're a tech wizard, building websites and apps that make people's lives easier. Your technical skills can solve problems and create seamless user experiences. Or maybe you're a design diva, creating stunning visuals that stop people in their tracks. Your eye for design can transform ideas into visually appealing masterpieces. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Innovation and creativity are key in the freelance world. Challenge yourself to come up with unique solutions and fresh ideas. The beauty of freelancing is that there's a market for almost anything. Whether you're into writing, coding, designing, or any other skill, there's a demand for your expertise. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner entrepreneur and let's find your freelance groove. Embrace your strengths, follow your passions, and take the first step towards a fulfilling freelance career. The world is waiting for your unique talents. Alright, you've identified your freelance superpowers, now it's time to build your empire. First things first, you need a killer online presence. Think of it as your digital storefront, showcasing your amazing skills and experience to the world. Start with a professional-looking website or portfolio that highlights your best work. Don't have any previous clients? No worries. Create some mock projects to demonstrate your capabilities. Next, jazz up your LinkedIn profile. Make sure it's up to date, showcases your skills and experience, and positions you as the freelance rockstar you are. Remember, first impressions matter, so make it count. Section 5. The client hunt, where to find your perfect match. Okay, let's talk about finding those awesome clients who are just dying to work with you. The good news is there are tons of places to look, both online and offline. Online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, offering a smorgasbord of potential projects. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram can be gold mines for finding freelance gigs. Join relevant groups, engage in conversations, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Section 6. Networking nirvana, making connections that count. Networking might sound scary, but it's really just about building genuine relationships with people in your industry. And guess what? It's one of the most powerful ways to find freelance clients. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops, both online and offline. Strike up conversations, exchange business cards, and follow up with people you connect with. You never know where a simple conversation might lead. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be helpful, offer value, and support others in their endeavors. The more you give, the more you'll receive. Section 7. Crafting killer proposals, winning clients over. You found the perfect project. Now it's time to wow them with your proposal. Your proposal is your chance to shine, showcasing your understanding of the client's needs and how your unique skills can help them achieve their goals. Start by grabbing their attention with a compelling headline that clearly states what you bring to the table. Then, dive into their pain points and explain how you can solve their problems. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality. Let your passion shine through and show them that you're not just another freelancer, you're the perfect fit for their project. Section 8. Pricing power, setting rates that reflect your worth. Pricing can be tricky, but it's crucial to set rates that reflect your value and experience. Don't undervalue yourself. Research industry standards and remember that you're not just charging for your time, you're charging for your expertise, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Start by determining your hourly rate or project fee. Consider your experience, skills, and the value you bring to the table. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, you're in business for yourself, and your time and skills are valuable.